Side they go.
Oh, the next 2 junctions.
On this stretch now, they roll by your left now. No go, I might drop you.
Oh, this one. This one there, you help me, oh. Boss, you check like your side mirror, no? Break.
Yeah, Charlie, it be those motor riders and things. No. Being hit and one, don't get
worry.
I'll go for some.
Oh,
now we're not benefit. I'll go.
When your seatbelt is spoiled, eh?
Oh, let's pull out with force.
I make a left hand before I go spoil am. Check like your car, you make dirty small.
Oh, Charlie, I they go ups and down. Not really get time watch. But during the week, I'll go.
Yeah, they see the dashboard. You check like a break. You do it for you. They use the ladder one. Yeah, I guess somebody they do.
It be good, eh?
Yeah. So if your mind, I go feel link you up. Your seats too. Check like what are the entire inside.
The people that those car wash people that they do, then they take that them a brush this. I talk to them.
Oh, Charlie, this people they sport car so. They for clean you. You can be winning model. You be winning car that.
It be Ford.
Yes. Okay. It be something where a lot of people can afford.
Oh, but this one it be 14. Oh. The 2014, 2013.
Then you so far, oh. Because the 2013 will go down or it be bad. Then you suffer, you get engine problem. The electrical faults, plenty.
But the American cars, it depends on how you use them.
Oh, now this car, if you take care of farm, there, go check.
But you, which car you use?
Oh, but if you take care of your car better, it will be very nice.
Which car you drive?
Me, I not get car. Oh, I not get car.
Which car your father died, leave you?
My papi never use car.
In fact, which car anybody for your family they use?
So the canoe
Canoe when they use. So nobody for family get car. When you enter my car, you they tell me about glass, about interior, about get out.
Because the maintenance matter.
More bets. That maintenance will kill you. Don't bet. Don't bet me. Get out!
Brother man,
Stop ever hit your destiny. Come on, get out! Bastard! Lock my door!
So AC.
Get out! Bastard!